Hello everyone, welcome back to Nas Lectures. Today we are going to learn a very heart-touching and emotional story called The Last Leaf written by O. Henry. This story is about hope, friendship, sacrifice, and true love for humanity. It shows how one selfless act can save a life. Students, this lesson is very important for exams and also teaches us strong moral values. So let us understand the story in a clear and simple way. Let's begin. The story is set in Greenwich Village where many young artists lived. At the top of three-story brick house, two young artists, Sue and Johnsy, lived together in a studio. They met earlier and found that their interest in art was similar. So they decided to live and work together. In November, a dangerous disease called pneumonia spread in the area. The doctor describes it like an old unseen stranger who kills many people. Johnsy also became its victim. She became so weak that she lay still on her bed, staring out of the window at a brick wall. The doctor tells you that Johnsy has only one chance in 10 to live, but that chance depends on Johnsy's will to live. Johnsy had decided that she would die. The doctor says when a patient loses hope, the medicine stops working. Sue feels helpless and cries. She tries to work on her drawings to earn money. Meanwhile, Johnsy keeps looking out of the window and start counting backwards. Sue notices that Johnsy is counting something outside. Outside the window, there is an ivy vine on the brick wall. Most of its leaves have fallen. Johnsy believes that when the last ivy leaf falls, she will also die. She has linked her life with the falling leaves. Sue tells Johnsy not to believe in such nonsense. She explains that doctors say she will recover, but Johnsy refuses to listen. She waits for the last leaf to fall. Behrman, an old painter who lives downstairs. He is over 60 years old and has always dreamt of painting masterpiece but never did. He is rude in speech but kind at heart. He feels responsible for protecting young artists like Sue and Johnsy. Sue tells Behrman about Johnson's strange belief. Behrman gets angry and calls it foolish, but deep inside he is worried about Johnsy. He agrees to help Sue. That night it rains heavily but strong wind and snow. Sue and Behrman look at the ivy vine from the window. Behrman sits silently. Something important happens that night, though it is not revealed immediately. Next morning, Johnsy asks Sue to open the window. She expects that last leaf to be gone, but surprisingly, the last ivy leaf was still there, fresh and green. It survives the storm. Johnsy slowly realizes her mistake. She understands that wanting to die is wrong. She regains hope and starts taking food. She even talks about her dream of painting the Bay of Naples. The doctor says Johnsy is out of danger. Sue feels relieved, but then the doctor tells Sue that Behram has died of pneumonia. Sue tells Johnsy the truth. Behrman went out on the stormy night and painted the last ivy leaf on the wall. The leaf never falls because it was not real. Behrman caught pneumonia and died, but his painting saved Johnsy's life. The important message here the lesson gives us is, and also the themes of this lesson are importance of hope, power of selfless sacrifice, true meaning of friendship, art as a force that saves lives. So students, this brings us to the end of the beautiful story The Last Leaf by O. Henry. The story teaches us that hope can save lives. One selfless act can be a miracle. True love and friendship means sacrifice. Barham's sacrifice shows that greatness lies in giving and not in fame. I hope this detailed explanation helped you understand the story clearly. If you liked this explanation, please like the video. Don't forget to share and subscribe to Nas lectures. See you in the next class. Happy learning.